Up for sale, 1974 Dodge Charger SE, finished in white with black interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 74 Charger SE, finished in white, which has got a little bit of pearl to it. Really nice looking, as well with the black painted top and the stripes on the side with the spoiler in the back. The car has a fantastic look. It looks to have all original body panels on it, all original floors with no rust, which is very nice to see. It's a very unmolested car with its original 318 motor, its original 2-barrel carb with the tag on it. Torque Flight automatic transmission, which is original to the car. Power steering, power brakes with front disc, which are ordered heavy duty from the factory, and factory AC, which works very nicely. Let's get started here. The chrome's very, very nice on the car. Just a very faint, you can see a couple of dots there throughout. Rubber on the front's nice, grill's nice, headlights are nice. But the car sits nice. It's got rear air shocks, so there might be like half pumped up. So it's got this kind of aggressive look to it. Looks really, really nice. And from what I've seen, the black and the black are not original to this kind of a car, but they do look really nice on it. Especially with this, you can kind of see it there, a little pearl white to it, with the factory wheels and the white letter tires. There's a bubble right there, and there's a mark right there. But the hood alignment is very nice. You can see a little smudge from my hand. And a couple more smudges here. I mean, that's me opening and closing the hood throughout this time. All the alignment throughout the car is actually really, really nice too. The way it is there and down. There looks to be a touch-up there and another touch-up right there. VIN tag is in place. There's something yellow over there. I gotta look and see what that is. A little fuzzy. It's got the hood release from the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up in a second and show you that. Let me see. Nice alignment here. You got the little chip protection. Another VIN tag and tag there. GAR rear, GAR front. Oh, GWR. No, GAWR. And then the VIN, date of manufacture, which was 174, which I did see on the trim tag, which is in place, and I will show you that. Nice though, a little chip down there in that door jamb. Nice in there as well. Nice in there. There's another tag. I love the design of the vinyl top, how it only comes here and then it's painted from the rest back. That looks pretty cool. Just something that I like. Horn works. You see the AC controls, which does work. Really nice dash and dash pad. Again, the original VIN tag is in place up there. There's a chance that could be original, but I don't know. I mean, looking at the way the floors are, the body panels are, there's a good chance, but I don't know for sure. And the guy that I bought it from, he didn't know either. But the seats are excellent. No rips, no tears. Doesn't really look to be used that much. And the same goes for the back seat. And carpet's excellent too. The dash is nice. The wood grain on the dash is nice. And headliner is nice as well. Get the visors and the rearview mirror up there. So let's pop the hood open, which I guess is a factory option. They have it in the car. Let me see where this guy is on here. Here we go. Nicely painted underhood. There's a tag there. The original fender tag. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, which are front disc and factory AC. And another thing I like about the car is it's a very nice, original, not really messed with engine compartment. Nicely painted white all the way around, especially on the firewall back there. And again, it's its original 318 motor with its original 2-barrel carb on it. Even original exhaust manifolds. They didn't put headers on it, which is nice. Trying to think if there's anything else here. Nope. So we'll carry on down the back side of the car. You can see a little bit of the pearl there. It looks really nice. Back deck is nice. This whole rear quarter is in really nice condition here. Let me see if I see something here. Looks like a very fine couple little marks right there. But nothing else going back. And how are the lowers? Lowers are really nice too. Oh, I got the key. I want to show you the trunk. Again, spoiler. Trunk fitment's nice, even like fitment on this piece is nice. Again, fitment on that piece is nice too. And the chrome bumper is about the same as the front. Nice underneath. Finished with an older spare. Kind of a classic look to it. Spatter paint in here. And it looks to have original quarters in it, with his original trunk pan as well. Which again is nice to see. I know that some of these Mopars are notorious for rusting, and getting a chance to have one that has not rusted out is also nice to see. Like I said, it's a 74 Charger SE, finished in a pearl white with black stripes, black vinyl top, black factory interior. It's original 318, original 2-barrel carb with the tag on it. I will have a picture of that on the ad. Original torque-filled automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes with front disc, factory AC. Nice fitment all the way around, which again is also nice to see on this kind of a car. So we will fire it up and then drive it. I'm trying to think if I missed anything. Doors open and close nicely. Windows go up and down nicely. Hood opens nicely. So, well, we'll fire it up and take it for a spin. Thank you. All right, here's the original 318. We're gonna fire it up now.